Hello, my name is Piggy. I'm the cutest pig in the whole universe. You can watch me now on YouTube. You know, I am the cutest. And guess what? Who voiced me? Hee 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 hee. And see my friend Doggy. Hello everyone, I'm Doggy. Doggy the cute dog. I mean, I think I'm not the cutest, right? Let's go to round up to Kitty. Roar! I'm not actually Kitty. I'm Lion. Bad dog. I don't want to see myself in the camera. Let's move on to Monkey. I'm Monkey, the cute monkey. I'm cute than Piggy. Am I right? Woohoo! You're right. Watch me now at my birthday party. It's my birthday.